A little creativity can make everyday life much easier and more fun. To store sweet treats properly, turn the container upside down. This way, it's much easier to get to them later. Here's how you can use a toothbrush to make sewing tasks easier. An airtight bag and a straw. That's all you need to create a vacuum seal. Wow! You can avoid wasting a single drop of lotion with this hack. Check out how much lotion there still was in the tube. Punch a hole in the bottom of a paper cup. Put the hold cup into an intact cup. And now you have a handy infusion drinks maker. Your drink is ready. When sunscreen spray dries out, it can clog the nozzle. Protect the nozzle with a balloon to prevent it from getting clogged. Before freezing ground meat, flatten it inside a food-grade plastic bag. Use the blunt edge of a knife to score lines in the meat. This way, you will always have single portions available that are easy to defrost whenever needed. Blunt box cutter. These lines are on the blade specifically for removing any blunt sections. As good as new. How to preserve summer tomatoes all year round. After baking them in the oven, they can be frozen and transferred to an airtight bag. They take up very little space and will retain their flavor. Here's an alternative way of making meatballs. Easy and quick. And they're all equally sized. A few drops of essential oils in the toilet roll tube and your bathroom will always smell pleasant.